Oh my God.
Oh my.
Finally.
When do we?
Finally, Mr. Walt. No, Sn95 power. My man, I've been
What's
looking for
going
you
on,
all
man?
day. What an event, dude.
Yeah.
I've never put on an event by myself, so you are the man, sir.
Hey, you know, I can't take any credit. That's John
I know you
in
never
there.
do. You never do. This guy never takes any credit, and you know what? I will not take it anymore. Give him all the credit. Subscribe, like, do all the things. Follow. He's the best guy.
Hey, I appreciate you coming out, man.
Oh, absolutely. Let's bring them on, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, what's up, my people, and welcome to the Sn95 Power Channel. We are here for our meet and greet.
Meet and greet.
Mrs. Kimberly is in the building. We're at Axe House Tavern here in
Sevierville, however you want to say it.
And big shout out to my man John Coates.
John, what's up?
The beautiful Sn95 Cobra right here. Like, this guy is Mr. Connection himself. Like, we are set up inside the tavern. We got a booth up in there. John is a deal maker, and he has made possibly this thing an annual thing whenever we come up here. Like, they're so happy for the traffic that we're going to bring in that this possibly could be an annual thing. Now, there are all kind of Mustangs here. It's still early. Like, the event officially started at 6:30, and I think it's like 6:40, 6:45 right now. And we're gonna hang out here till 10 o'clock. But it's a great turnout, some beautiful cars out here. My man Jim from the Fox Chamber is here. His beautiful Terminator right there. So when more cars come in, we'll get some footage going, but hopefully you're going to be down here and you can say hi to us and hang out. Hey, so I'm here with my man Larry. Where you at, Larry? There you go. There's his Sn95. We're up here at the meet and greet. Officially it's supposed to start at 6:30, but we've got people up here already. So I'm going to take you inside to give you a little preview of what's going on tonight. So, this is Axe House. There's the man right there. Table. Now, if you want to do some axe throwing, have that over there. Don't try and cut it. Come on through. It's my man John right here, guys. He's the mastermind behind all this.
Oh, no, I'm not masterminding anything.
And the beautiful wives over here who let us do all this stuff. So if y'all have time, stop through. We're here late, so. And if you come in, we have raffle tickets for you. So stop up front. Make sure patronize the place. Maybe grab some merchandise while you're here. Can't wait to see y'all.
Suave, let's get it.
All right, where's 1995 staying at? What's up, man?
What's up?
Nice to finally meet you.
Sn95 power?
Yeah, yeah.
What's up, dude?
How's it going?
It's going all right.
How's the car been?
It's good. I just put it on the dyno today, actually.
Oh, yeah?
At the show.
At the show?
Yeah.
What'd you make?
650.
Is it the 351?
It's 408 stroke.
4.8 stroke?
Yeah. It's only on 8 pounds of boost.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
The first number is 021. Double check that. I don't know if I trust you. You've been drinking a lot.
We got here way before y'all did.
1361401. That's it.
All right, congratulations.
Okay. So you're gonna get your choice of a sweatshirt. You also get a sticker and like a phone gripper. I don't know how that works, but that's yours. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
All right, keep going. 115. 115. Look at his little ass.
Congratulations, Vengeance.
There's a Raffle. You know what? Look,
I stop it.
you can blame her because I didn't pick that. Go. 079. 079.
First thing,
Large.
Vengeance.
Drinking like this, I'll be extra large. Hey, seriously though, thanks for your service, man. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. 048.
048. Vengeance.
I hope it's okay for you. Thank you so much. 041. This guy won.
I told you.
Okay, so you can pick between one of these two.
I'll do the main top
Remain the Fox with you. So grab these stickers, and then I'll get your shirt from my truck as soon as I'm done calling the number.
Thank you.
056.
56056.
Is that you? Really? Let me see your ticket.
Oh, Larry, yay.
All right, come on. What size shirt you wear?
Sn95.
Awesome, man. Congrats.
Yeah, thanks, brother.
078.
078.
No, 1. Hey, send me your address on Facebook. I'll mail you your shirt as soon as I got it in the mail. 092.
92. 092.
092.
092. You got a $25 gift card to CJ Pony Park. 037. Well, you're like your dad. Here's $100 gift card to CJ Pony Park.
All right.
068.
68.
Hey, so John, what do you think, man?
For the first time doing something like this, I'm real happy. I'm honestly happy. It was a little chilly out.
Yeah.
Though it wasn't overly crowded. I feel like
Yeah.
the crowd was just enough it filled the place up, and you know, there was plenty of room for parking. Nobody was worried about where they're going to park. Nobody had to leave because they couldn't park.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm happy. I had a good time.
It was a great time, man.
Yeah, I had a
And
really good time.
I have to say, this guy is a monster when it comes to networking. And
I'm
putting stuff
trying.
together.
I'm really trying.
Like he like handled this, organized it. This is all John. Like
Wow,
I'm just here.
you
Like
know.
basically, I'm just.
He paid for the flyers. He paid for the flyers.
I'm just here. John like organized all this.
Go fast. Turn left.
So hey man, like I've known you for a little over a year now.
Yeah.
And I appreciate everything that you've done. You know, if I've always been able to call you and talk to you, and if I had a problem,
Well,
you've always been
that's
here.
what friends are for, man. You know,
Yeah.
like car stuff aside, you know, that's what we're all here for each other. You know what I mean? Like, ain't no reason to like not be there for people that you care about. You know.
Right.
So I'm happy to be a part of that.
Yeah, you know, Melissa, she's great. Like, you know, our family is like, our families are becoming families now.
Yeah.
Like,
What's awesome is that the wives get along so well. So like that way, when we do want to do some stupid car shit, they're like, okay, well, she'll be there. I guess
wait a
I'll
second,
go.
I gotta edit that out. Like,
Oh yeah.
hey, so hey man, this has been a success.
Yeah, I'm
Like,
really happy.
You know, I think that these people will love to have you back here.
Yeah, they actually asked me like when we coming back.
Yeah.
They were like, "You gonna be here next weekend?"
Yeah.
So I'm really happy, dude. I'm really happy that it went out well, and like, you know, everybody's respecting their property here. There hasn't been really any.
Yeah,
complaints.
yeah. There's nobody's
I
acting
feel
stupid.
like everybody's been, you know, real respectful of like our organization of the meet here, and you get a little bit of guys running out of the place, and you're gonna get that, and that's,
Yeah, that's
fine.
normal, yeah.
You know, but I'm happy that they've respected the property here, and they came in, and you know, they come into the establishment, they spent some money, everybody's having a good time, the bar's open, the place is making money,
The place is making
and
money.
we're having a good time together.
Absolutely.
So that, I'm really happy.
It's a win-win.
So again, they're spinning on out of here.
And big
I think that car's the slowest one.
and the loudest. Hey, big shout out to CJ Pony Parts for hooking us up with some gift cards to give away.
Yeah,
And-
awesome for CJ Pony Parts. They gave us a $100 gift card and two $25 gift cards to give out today. I couldn't be happier with that. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to get future projects going with you guys.
Absolutely. So make sure you check out my man Instagram at Coast216, YouTube, Iron
Iron
Asphalt
Asphalt
Customs. And what's next, man? Melissa, you gotta come over here.
I don't know what's next.
gotta get the wife
I
in.
don't know what's next. I really don't know. I think we have to get together and figure out what show can we actually get to next.
Yeah.
Where, you know, we don't have to take a week off of work because I don't get another vacation for a couple months. So
Yeah.
But I think there's some stuff going on in July
Mm-hmm.
between Chicago and us or something like that, I believe. So I know I have a big show up by my house going on. There'll be like 300-400 cars there. So maybe we'll get together on that. You can come out, stay at the house
Absolutely.
with us.
Yeah.
In the spare bedroom,
Okay.
get some really good wife cook.
That's right.
You know,
That's
get the
right.
food going and get some grub in us. And the show's like 2 blocks from our house. We don't have to travel from there. So that's great. And that would be a good show for you to come out and,
In
you know,
July.
we'll share a booth together.
All right.
Just hang out
All right.
and do crazy car stuff. In my neighborhood. Well, I live in
Yeah.
Mexico. They don't know that.
Oh, yeah. Okay. We're going south of the border.
South of the border. South of the border.
Hey, I appreciate y'all time. This has been a great show for us. We still have one more day at Ponies and the Smokies. So
Yeah, we got the cruise in tomorrow in the awards ceremony. And my hearing it's going to be a little windier tomorrow. Hopefully we can get a good turnout and it'll be a good time tomorrow.
Hey, I appreciate y'all time and God bless.